My full name is Juman Hussain. My nickname is Juman. If you feel comfort, so you can call me Juman.
According to your certificate, Jumman or other name?
No, I'm not a student.
You're not a student?
No.
So what do you do?
I'm a mechanic, sir.
Oh, you didn't have any certificate?
No.
What kind of work actually do you do?
I do a lot of things in my workshop. Like most of the time, I spend for repairing engine and replace some part of engine.
Why are you doing English course? Where's your plan, Jumman?
In automotive line, it's very needed. Whenever we go to for diagnose any car, at that time I mostly need English. Without English, I can't diagnose the car because the laptop or other something device is also English. That's why I need it. And I want to go abroad. And if I go abroad without English, I can't share my opinion with their country's people.
Oh, that's why now you are learning English.
Yes, sir.
So after coming here, how do you feel?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. I feel I'm doing. My English progress is going better.
Going better,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken kurma. It is very delicious and it has milk, chicken, and especially it's cooked my mom. That's why I like it, and it's my favorite food.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because whenever I wear any blue color t-shirt or shirt, at that time I feel it's suit me and it's look like good me. That's why I like blue color and it's my favorite color.
Yes, your favorite color.
Yes, sir.
Right, where's the secret? Now you can speak in English very well.
My secret is
Ras
I-
English here.
yeah, Ras English here and their teacher is teach us very well. Their teaching system is very well. That's why right now I can speak well.